Today we're taking a look at SnapEdit, an AI photo editor packed with all the essential tools you need to pump out pro-level photos for your brand. Good news, y'all. You don't need Photoshop to create stunning product photos and social media content. SnapEdit's AI-powered editor does all the heavy lifting for you, from removing backgrounds to enhancing image quality. No design skills needed. SnapEdit makes photo editing ridiculously simple, even if you're a total beginner. Right off the bat, you'll be able to remove objects, enhance photos, and remove backgrounds. But there's a lot more under the hood, like removing text, wiping out wire lines, and even restoring old photos. Say you've got an amazing photo, but it's just a smidge too blurry. No problem. Hit the Enhance feature, choose your resolution, and watch SnapEdit's AI turn that fuzzy memory into a crystal clear masterpiece in full HD. It's especially good with faces, so your portraits will always look incredible. You'll get different styles to play with too, like Standard, Art, Restore, or Magic, plus a color boost that helps dull images come to life. Want to remove some random people from your picture? The Super Eraser has your back. Just upload your photo, see what all should be removed, and poof, in one click, it's gone. Need to fine-tune? Just click on the brush tool and adjust the circumference. I recommend pairing that with the lasso tool for ultimate precision. You probably already know how hard it is to remove backgrounds, but with SnapEdit, it's a total snap. Just upload any image and poof, background is gone. SnapEdit's loaded with full-color backgrounds that you can adjust to suit your branding. You've also got over 100 template backgrounds, like wood textures, studio walls, and holiday themes if you want to swap it out instead. Or upload your own background, whatever floats your boat. But what if you're dealing with a major backlog? That's where SnapEdit's batch processor comes in clutch. You can upload up to 50 images at once and automatically edit them in one go. Take advantage of the Tier 3 upgrade to get 1,500 batch processing credits every month. Achieve pro-level photo editing without any professional experience. Just click Buy Now to get lifetime access to SnapEdit's entire suite right now.